Hi everyone. Before we get into the tools, let's take a high-level tour of the PhotoGPT flow so you can move around confidently and understand where the key features live. This episode isn't about using anything in depth. It's simply an orientation, a visual map that will make the next episodes much easier to follow. When you log into the platform for the very first time, a brief onboarding sequence introduces you to the core concept of our workspace, the node canvas. Here, you'll quickly learn how to add generation nodes, wire their inputs and outputs together to establish the flow of data, and group related nodes together to execute massive, multi-step AI pipelines as a single unit. Once you grasp these basic principles, the possibilities are virtually endless. Dismissing onboarding takes you to the main canvas. At the center of the canvas, you can see some preset flows that you can drop in for quick use. Clicking any of these acts as a powerful shortcut. It instantly drops a fully defined template of nodes that you can tweak and run. However, if you need entire control over your flow, you can simply ignore these options and double-click anywhere on the canvas to bring up the node menu. Now let's take a look around the local perimeter to locate your global controls. Up in the top right corner, you will find your essential canvas tools. Here you can easily undo or redo your actions, toggle your appearance modes, view general instructions, publish your flow for others to use, and trigger your master run all button to execute your entire flow at once. Down in the bottom left corner, you have your navigation bar. As your node network grows larger and more complex, you can use the minimap to easily pan around and the zoom controls to maintain a bird's eye view. You can also scroll on the canvas to zoom in and out. You now know your way around the workspace. In the next video, we will dive deep into the canvas itself and master the use of the dynamic dashboard toolbar.